Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the antifungal drugs. So today we are going to talk about the very important drug, amphotericin B. Amphotericin B, that's a Pauline antibiotic. Pauline means that group, that compound, that drug which having the double bonds, or that is known as the Pauline. Source of the amphotericin B is the Streptomyces nodosus. Source of the amphotericin B is the Streptomyces nodosus. And after that we are going to talk about the mechanism of action. Actually amphotericin B, how it work. Amphotericin B bind with the ergosterol. Ergosterol, that's bind with the ergosterol. Ergosterol is an important component of the cell membrane of the fungus. See this is structure. This is structure. This is the cell membrane of the fungus. That's the amphotericin B bind with the ergosterol and make a pore formation. Look this red color structure. This is the pore formed by the amphotericin B through bind with the ergosterol. That bind with the ergosterol and make these pores. And through this pore also known as the death ring, because due to this pore, leakage of the substance, ions from the intracellular to the extracellular, that leak from intracellular to the extracellular, due to that subsequently cell death. That's why subsequently cell death. And this is the mechanism of action, how it's work. That's why amphotericin bind with the ergosterol and make a pore formation. Through that pore, leakage of the substance from the intracellular to the extracellular of the cell. So that's why cell will be dead. So come to the some important point of the amphotericin B. It's a have very low therapeutic index. Amphotericin B having the very low therapeutic index means it's a very toxic. It's so more toxicity. And after that, next point is only not absorbed. Amphotericin B only not absorbed. That's why it's given IV for the systemic use. And in case of the fungal meningitis, it's given through the intrathecal. It's given through the intrathecal for the fungal meningitis. And after that, topical for the ocular and the bladder infection. Topical for the ocular and the bladder infection. So this is the some important and important point for the amphotericin B. Now come to the adverse effect of the amphotericin B. Amphotericin B, it's a very low therapeutic index. So that's why it's so two type of the toxicity. First one is a acute toxicity and second one is a long term toxicity. Acute toxicity, that so the chill, fever, pain, nausea and the vomiting. If you are talking about the long term toxicity, in case if you are giving for the long time, so it cause the nephrotoxicity, anemia, hypokalemia and the hypomagnesia. And if amphotericin B given through the intrathecally, it can cause seizure. And now we will talk about the spectrum of the amphotericin B. It having the wide range of the spectrum. Its work as a both like a fungistatic and the fungicidal. It's all depend on the concentration of the drug. If in case of the low concentration, it's a work as a fungistatic, and in high concentration it's work as a fungicidal. So that's all depend on the concentration of the drug. So come to the interaction of the amphotericin B. Amphotericin B with the flucytosine. Amphotericin B plus flucytosine. It's an enhanced action. It's a so the supra additive action. Amphotericin B plus flucytosine, it's enhance the action and it's so the supra additive action. And amphotericin B with additive with other renal toxic drug. It's additive with the other renal toxic drug. So for today this one is sufficient. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.